The Samsung Galaxy A70 comes with an excellent look with a bezel-less display having a front-facing camera popping at the top. The flagship device comes with a sleek body that fits well in the hands of the users and the elegant look which they will love to flaunt. It has a powerful processor that will make users enjoy games and other activity, and it shows no sign of a lag. The battery backup is also very promising, which keeps the device active for a long time so the user won't get interrupted. Coming to the cameras, it features an excellent pair at the rear side and a single lens at the front, both with a promising performance. Let's go through the details of the smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy A70 has a large 6.7 inches Super AMOLED panel with the extra tall 20:9 aspect ratio. It's an Infinity U display, meaning a rounded notch for the 32MP selfie camera. The rear camera also has a 32MP sensor. These two are the highest resolution cameras on a Samsung phone yet. The rear camera also features an 8MP ultra-wide-angle module and a 5MP depth sensor. The phone offers an in-display fingerprint reader as well as face recognition as security mechanisms. The Galaxy A70 has a 4500 mAh battery and, interestingly, it will support 25 watts fast charging. There's no wireless charging, though. The phone comes with 6GB or 8GB of RAM and 128GB of built-in storage. The card slot can house 2 SIMs and 1 microSD, up to 512GB, giving you a lot of flexibility. Samsung Galaxy A70 will launch with Android 9 Pie and One UI, including features like night mode and Samsung mainstays like Pay, Knox and Pass, which can use the FP reader to sign you into apps and sites. The Galaxy A70 shares the 3D glass stick build with other A series phones. A prism effect will give visual flair to the 4 color options: coral, blue, black, and white. Pricing and availability are yet to be detailed, but the company says it will reveal more come April 10.